happening in states also. In present in West Bengal, the representation in the Council of Ministers, tribal representation is negligible. Although tribal community are one of the important community, as per the rule that out of 294 members of Legislative Assembly, 6% is reserved for scheduled tribe. Similarly, in the Council of Ministers, this reservation should be maintained. Similarly, in central government also, out of 543 members of parliaments, 15% are made ministers. So among those 15%, tribal should be made ministers. And this thing should be percolated in all the government bodies. Because if you do not impart this community in the development process of the government, the true development will not come. Now what pathetic thing is happening in West Bengal? Santali have been implemented and Santali language have been imparted as a medium of instruction. But you will be astonished that when the process of appointing the teacher has came in front, then people, those who do not know Santali language, have been appointed in Santal medium schools. How funny. They are just implementing Article 335, the reservation policy in general services. But they have forgotten that Santali has been introduced as a medium of instruction as per Article 46. That means all the students are actually belong to Santal community, but their teachers are non-Santals. Why? Our authority thinking, since it is matter of job, let Article 335 be implemented. That means every 100 employment, only 6% Santal can be appointed. Rest teacher will be from other community. Then how the purpose will be served? Due to this faulty policy of the state government, the very purpose of education in mother tongue has been defeated. So our scholars and those who are actually at the policy making level, they should think of the matter. So in West Bengal, as well as in the central government, in all the avenues, in NCERT, in UGC, and university grant, in Senate, syndicate, college governing body,